Hi, welcome back to Andy's Road Trip. I'm Andy, and today we are on hold on. It's after 0. It's before 2. It's before 2, 1A. Today we are on 1A, the Diesel Road Roller. Here's number 1, Diesel Road Roller. Next to the next two in the line. Number 2 is simply named Dumper, which is not flattering. And the third is the cement mixer. But let's look at the boxes. It says Matchbox Series across the top and a Moco Lesney product on the bottom. So Lesney is a combination of the founder's 2 first names. So LES are the first 3 letters in Leslie Smith, and NEY are the last 3 letters in Rodney, who was also Smith. They were not related. They were school friends, and they did serve in the Army together. After the Army, they went out and purchased used die-cast machinery because it was affordable, and they had this great idea of going into business for themselves. The reason it reads a Moco Lesney product is because Moco was the company that was the distributor and also the financial backing. You can see that the font on the first box is in script, and then soon thereafter they changed to print. There it is, number 2, Dumper. I'd like you to drop a comment as to how I'm going to road test number 3, the cement mixer. I just foresee putting it on the treadmill and having it shoot off into the sunset. So drop a comment. I'm open to suggestions. You will see that there were 3 colors used for this vehicle. The red for the wheels, there's gold in a few places. The hook on the back, the driver, the steering wheel, a vent cover for the engine, and a radiator cap in the front. This car most certainly was not built for speed. I will discuss the base of each vehicle, and here we have one that does not have a base. It also has inscribed in the roof, Lesney, England. As of 2025, this model, as you see it with its box, is valued at $275. So now I would like to put the car on a scale and let you know how much it weighs. After that, we go on the road test. And in this corner, we see that the Diesel Road Roller weighs in at 0.7 ounces. Oh, it went from 0.6 to 0.7. So let's redo that, reset it, calibrate, put it back on. 0.7.